KTM RC 390 Best Motorcycle for Beginners. For beginners entering the world of motorcycling, finding the perfect bike is a pivotal decision. The KTM RC 390 stands out as a thrilling option that seamlessly merges dynamic performance with beginner-friendly attributes. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and race-inspired design, the RC 390 offers an exhilarating introduction to motorcycling for novices who crave both excitement and control. Punchy performance and manageability. At the heart of the KTM RC 390 is a robust 373cc single-cylinder engine that exudes power and character. This engine provides a blend of thrilling acceleration and controlled power delivery, offering an ideal balance for beginner riders to explore their limits while building confidence. Agile handling for skill development. The RC 390's lightweight chassis and nimble handling characteristics create an environment conducive to skill progression. Novice riders can learn the art of cornering and maneuvering with ease, aided by the bike's responsive steering and stability that foster growth and control on the road. Aesthetically captivating design. The RC 390's design draws inspiration from KTM's racing heritage, resulting in a sleek and aggressive appearance that commands attention. Its aerodynamic fairings, sharp lines, and sporty color schemes not only enhance the bike's visual appeal but also echo its performance-oriented nature. Ergonomics tailored for comfort. Despite its sporty intentions, KTM has carefully crafted the RC 390's ergonomics to prioritize rider comfort. The bike's relatively upright seating position and well-placed handlebars reduce strain on the rider's wrists and back, ensuring that even longer rides remain enjoyable. Advanced technology for safety. The RC 390 incorporates modern technology to enhance safety. Features like ABS, anti-lock braking system, provide additional confidence during braking, preventing will lock-up and promoting controlled stops even in challenging road conditions. Entry to racing heritage. The RC 390's design and performance pay homage to KTM's racing DNA. For beginners, this offers a glimpse into the world of motorcycle racing and the excitement that comes with it. Riding the RC 390 allows novices to experience a fraction of the exhilaration that professional racers encounter. Thrilling acceleration and excitement. The RC 390's responsive acceleration and exhilarating power delivery provide a taste of high-performance riding, even for beginners. The controlled power ensures that novices can experience the thrill of speed within a manageable and safe environment. Community and enthusiast connection. KTM's racing-oriented community is passionate and welcoming, providing beginners with a platform to connect with like-minded enthusiasts. Joining this community offers valuable insights, support, and camaraderie, enhancing the overall riding experience. Potential for growth and mastery. While the RC 390 offers a thrilling entry point, its performance potential accommodates skill growth. As beginners advance in their abilities, they can continue to explore the bike's capabilities, transitioning from novice riders to skilled motorcyclists. Conclusion. The KTM RC 390 emerges as a thrilling choice for beginners eager to embrace the world of motorcycling with both excitement and control. Its dynamic performance, agile handling, race-inspired design, and commitment to safety offer a holistic riding experience that resonates with novices seeking a blend of adrenaline and growth. By bridging the gap between raw power and rider confidence, the RC 390 invites beginners to embark on a journey that introduces them to the thrill of speed and precision, while ensuring they remain firmly in control of their riding destiny.